Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix Instagram your account was compromised. To know how to fix Instagram your account was compromised, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. And when you will see this page, you will click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. And then here in this page, you can click clear cache. And then you will click clear data. And when you will end this, you can turn off your phone so that you can know how to fix Instagram your account was compromised. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.